Joining us today is Tim Biggam with Delta Derivatives. Thanks for coming in.
You bet, anytime, Fritz.
Now we're talking about some of America's favorite, well, you know, I visit them every day, Starbucks.
Yeah, absolutely. And this is a stock that I think has gotten a little too over-caffeinated here, given the run we've had up here. Yesterday we saw kind of a reversal day, kind of treading water earlier in the day. So I just think that big run that we've seen is probably coming to an end here, especially given the valuation at historic extremes, overbought on technicals. So I'm just selling some out-of-the-money call spreads, basically to be a seller on further rallies here.
Once you finish your coffee in the morning and are all awake, then it's lunchtime. Chipotle.
Yeah, same kind of story here to an even bigger degree. They did have really nice earnings about a month ago. Stock was up 10% the following day, has added on huge since then. Best performing stock of the first quarter, or second best, I should say, in the S&P 500, up 60%, up even more since then. But yesterday again saw that reversal day. So again, same kind of idea here, selling out of the money call spreads to 750, 755. Stock broke 700 over 100 times earnings here, and RSI over 90, so everything just getting a little extreme.
Well, they've been able to work through all their issues over the last 6 months, a year or two, of all the health scares and such too. So clearly they've been on that upward swing, so that pullback makes sense.
Yeah, exactly right. And it's not like I'm looking for really even a big pullback, just looking for that torrid rally to kind of get a little less spicy here.
Well, so for our afternoon, we've had our coffee, we've had lunch. Now we're going to look at the big picture. What is going on in the macroeconomic area?
I think it's the trade-off between that, you know, kind of perpetual Powell put that's staunching any kind of downside, and valuations getting a little rich. Again, this earnings season will be probably the first one where we've had a earnings recession in a long time, yet stocks are higher. That means those multiples are getting rich. So I just look for kind of the stock market to kind of tread water till we get into the earnings season. The big banks always leading the way.
Of course, we've had that little whispering of a recession with the yield curve getting inverted. So there's a lot of interesting things out there right now.
Yeah,
Tim,
absolutely.
Thanks for joining us this morning.
You bet, anytime.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.